If you're looking for help to support your staff make positive changes to their physical and mental well-being, we have the perfect solution. Our world-class workplace wellbeing resource has all the advice needed to help your staff eat better, increase productivity and manage stress. We cover a huge range of topics like building resilience, getting better sleep and exercise motivation. We also have ideas for eating well when you're busy, along with advice for managing specific health issues. We have thousands of genuinely healthy recipes that can be filtered for any taste or dietary need.
You can trust our wellbeing resource as all our content is evidence-based and it's accessible on any device at any time. This is a wonderful tool that really can help staff take control of their health. Also included is our engagement plan to get staff thinking about their health, plus reporting to you to show staff uptake. Thousands of people are enjoying the resource. Come and join them.
Help your staff to be healthier and happier with the Healthy Food Guide Workplace Wellbeing Resource. Contact us for more details.